Meaning of ID.
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 ID. The term ID is an abbreviation for identification, which refers to the process of establishing or proving the identity of a person, place, or thing. ID can refer to various forms of identification such as a driver's license, passport, or social security number. In computer science, ID commonly refers to a unique identifier assigned to a particular object or entity. IDs are used in various fields like banking, healthcare, and law enforcement to verify identity and ensure security. In short, ID is a crucial component for identification and authentication purposes in multiple domains.